Did you know that a former U.S. Senator just admitted to sleeping with her bodyguard while he was still married? The story hit the headlines when Kyrsten Sinema filed a motion to dismiss a lawsuit in North Carolina. Her lover, Matthew Amell, is now facing a claim from his estranged wife, Heather Amell, who says she never consented to their affair. According to court documents, Sinema and Amell began an intimate relationship 5 months before he separated from Heather. The first kiss happened in Sonoma, California on May 27, 2024, according to the legal filings. After that, the pair reportedly moved around the country, touching in New York City, Washington, D.C., Aspen, and Phoenix. Sinema insists she never met Amell in North Carolina, where the lawsuit was filed. She argues that because their meetings took place elsewhere, the state has no jurisdiction over her. Heather Amell's suit was filed in September 2025 by a North Carolina attorney named Brian Anderson. The suit alleges that Sinema sent romantic messages to Matthew while he was supposedly in North Carolina. One of those alleged messages included a photo of Heather wrapped only in a towel, according to the complaint. Sinema denies ever sending such a picture or any other intimate image. She claims she had no knowledge that Amell was present in North Carolina when they communicated. The lawsuit also claims that Sinema encouraged their relationship by flirting and exchanging affectionate words. If true, it could be seen as an attempt to facilitate infidelity while the groom was still legally married. Sinema's defense hinges on a simple fact: location matters. She mapped out their rendezvous points across multiple states, none of which include North Carolina. In legal terms, jurisdiction often depends on where the alleged wrongdoing took place. Without evidence that any intimacy occurred within North Carolina borders, her motion to dismiss gains traction. Still, Heather Amell's lawyers argue that even emotional or verbal encouragement can be actionable under certain state laws. They claim that a woman in a marriage could sue for damages if she believes her spouse was being encouraged to cheat. Sinema counters that no such encouragement happened while the groom was physically present in North Carolina. The court will have to decide whether mere text messages cross the line into illegal conduct. The public is left wondering, does the place where love happens really matter? It's a question that goes beyond politics and touches on the very definition of jurisdiction. Sinema's motion also brings up an interesting point about how modern relationships can span the country. When couples meet in different cities, which state gets to say what happened? The answer might lie in the specific laws governing marital fidelity in each jurisdiction. If North Carolina has a law that covers incitement of adultery, does it apply across state lines? Sinema's legal team argues that without any direct contact within North Carolina, there is no basis for a claim. They further contend that even if messages were sent from out-of-state locations, the mere act of sending them doesn't create jurisdiction. Heather Amell, on the other hand, claims that her husband was still physically in North Carolina during their communications. She says that's why the state should have the right to hear her case and potentially award damages. The court will need to examine evidence of where each party actually was at the time. Will any surveillance footage or travel logs be presented? Will the emails, texts, and photographs prove anything? These are the questions that keep everyone on edge as the trial approaches. For now, Sinema's motion is pending, and her future hinges on a legal argument about geography and love. The stakes are high. If she loses, it could mean a hefty judgment or even criminal charges. If she wins, she may avoid a costly lawsuit entirely. The courtroom drama continues to unfold, with every new document raising fresh intrigue. Will the judge side with the former senator's defense of location-based jurisdiction, or will they find that emotional encouragement can transcend borders and bring state law into play? Time and the evidence will reveal whether Sinema's claim holds water. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more updates.